Having trouble charging? Tangled charging cables? Fighting over a single power bank? Introducing the BAVIN Powerbank set features its wireless charging, experience, safe smart charging, safe to leave plug-in, bring it anywhere, dining room, and office. Features its 22.5 watts wired charging, 15 watts MagSafe charging, can charge up to 3 devices, not easy to fall off, it is small and cute, has a built-in lanyard cable, secure and stable, can use as a phone stand, ready to go now, easy to grab, easy to carry, leave home with your devices safe. Get yours now!